Good morning, children. Very good morning. Today we will discuss about the syllabus and what are the chapters and how to prepare for your second periodic test. Children, please be attention. I welcome you all the cadets. Before your examinations, please all of you pull up your socks. Get attention, please. Second periodic test. Children, already we have completed the syllabus in geography and we have been discussing about economics as of now. Economics first topic, that is development, and sectors of Indian economy we have completed. So here for the examination I will take as geography. So geography we have total 7 chapters. All the 7 chapters I will write down for the sake of periodic test. I will write down what all the topics you have to prepare for your second periodic test. Clear? Here, write down. Syllabus for second periodic test in geography. As you know, it is 50 marks. The total marks weightage is 50 marks. So 25 history and 25 geography. So here geography, I will take it as a entire syllabus of geography. That is, we have geography, how many chapters? Total 7 chapters. Total 7 chapters. Number 1 is, take down. Number 1 is resources. Resources and development. Number 1 is resources and development. Second chapter is forest and wildlife resources. Forest and wildlife resources. The second chapter is forest and wildlife resources. Clear? And third topic is water resources. Water resources. Fourth one is minerals and resources. Fifth one is manufacturing industries. Manufacturing industries. Resource and development, forest and wildlife resources. Third chapter is water resources. Fourth one is mineral resources and here agriculture also here. Agriculture. And seventh one is lifelines of national economy. National economy. agriculture, 4, this is 5, and this is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 topics, children. Our textbook deals with 7 topics. All these 7 chapters already we have discussed. Now, as per CBSE, out of these 7 chapters, starting from resources and development, forest and wildlife resources, third one is water resources, fourth one is agriculture, fifth one is mineral and power resources, mineral and, you can add here, mineral and power resources, mineral and power resources, sixth, manufacturing industries, and the last one is, that is, the lifelines of national economy, the lifelines of Indian economy. So out of this, here, as per CBSE, this topic is deleted. Forest and wildlife resources, it is not there. Not only for this year, last 4 years onwards, this topic has been deleted. 2015, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, and 17, 18, even 18, 19, 19, 20 now. So permanently this topic is deleted from CBSE. It is deleted from CBSE curriculum. So we did not prepare for the topic. Even we didn't discuss. Even the class also, the second topic, the forest and wildlife resources, we have not discussed because it is not there in our curriculum. Children, are you clear? Listen carefully. Thereafter, WhatsApp, you people are asking so many doubts. There should not be any doubt in this. So permanently, the second topic is the forest and wildlife resources. It is not there in your curriculum. We did not prepare for your CBSE board examination. Clear? Yes. Now, question come to, as per the rest of the topics, that is 6 topics: resources, water, mineral, industries, agriculture, and lifelines of national economy. If you take these topics, right, as per COVID-19, as per pandemic COVID-19, since the boys are not attending the school, keeping in the view of these cadets, CBSE has given certain relief to the cadets. So there are some topics deleted that you know. Most of the children you will be aware of. That is, one is water resources. Okay. Next one is water resources and mineral resources. These two topics. These two topics deleted. They told curriculum they are deleted. Actually, they are not deleted. The topics we have discussed, and topics you have to prepare for the question and answers. Examination point of view, they are going to ask the question and answers. Sorry, they are not going to ask question and answers from these topics. That is water resources and mineral resources. But condition, they will ask you map pointing. They will ask you map skills. Map skills they are going to ask from the topic. One is water resources and mineral and power resources. They are going to ask. One is water resources and second is mineral resources. Not question answers. Map skills. Map skills. Yesterday one boy asked me, sir, second, third and Fourth topic also is there for question and answers? No. Map skills. They're going to ask on the topic only map skills from the third and fourth. Sorry, fifth topic. Right? Map skills are going to ask only these two topics. Rest of the questions on exercise will be asked. So you have to prepare for the examination. Children, is it any doubt? Is it any doubt, you tell me. So here in your periodic test in geography, total there are 50 marks. Total SSCD, that is social science, there are 50 marks, and history 25 and geography 25. So total 50. And 10 marks for oral test. After the written examination, 50 for written and plus 10 marks extra, that is oral test. 50 plus 10, 20. So here 5 marks for oral, here 5 marks for oral. Written, this is oral. Written and this is oral. So it is 30. Here 30. Total 60. Just for your information. So for periodic test, you have to prepare for 25 marks for geography. All the topics. 1. Resources and development. And map skills from, of course, I am not going to ask for periodic test map skills. Because the time duration is very short. We cannot provide the map. Because exam is going to take online. So there are problems. So I am not going to ask you map skills. So when you come back from vacation, we'll practice. When you come back from vacation, we'll practice these map skills. Okay, don't worry. Now you prepare for written examination. You prepare for written examination. That is question and answers. You prepare for your only question answers for the examinations. Is it clear, boys? So one is resource development and manufacturing industries, agriculture and life science and natural economy. And children, remember, when you take this topic, agriculture, in agriculture also ask 2 pages, that is food security and food security is not there. Food security is deleted from the CBSE curriculum. Remember that topic. These things you have to keep it in your mind while preparing for examination. While preparing for your examination. Now it's clear? Still if you have any doubt, please ask me. So in geography there are total 7 topics. So chapter number 2 is deleted from your syllabus curriculum, and water resources and mineral and power resources. Those topics only map skills will be asked. Question answers will not be going to ask. Chalo. But since we have discussed all the topics from June onwards, all the topics except the second topic, all the topics we have discussed from June to till now. So better prepare for all the chapters for the examination. It is good for your knowledge also and for the sake of examination. Clear? Right.